me again.
Is this beautiful, Mom?
I cut it out and glued it.
And I painted it.
Don't scare me again. Is your dad awake already, or? Wake up! I don't want to miss my breakfast. You'd better be fast because we can't wait for you. Get a plate and pick anything you want, sweeties.
I want chicken nuggets and fried chicken.
And I want spaghetti.
And I want something green and healthy.
This is so good, Mom.
Did you all forget about fruit and dessert?
Can I eat your food, Dad?
You just finished your dish, honey. Save that tummy for dessert later. Who wants ice cream and smoothies?
I want ice cream all day.
Okay, everyone. Change your clothes and we're going to the beach.
I brought my swim float.
I brought my bucket and shovel for sandcastle building.
And I've already changed my clothes. For taking pictures.
And I brought a hat. Let's go to the beach now.
I want to go swimming right now.
So fresh and beautiful.
Almost done with the towel.
Perfect timing. The umbrella is done. What a great spot.
Mom, Dad, can we walk along the beach?
Of course you can. But don't go too far, sweeties.
Yes, Mom. We won't go too far.
Daniel, look at my sandcastle.
All right, let's take a video.
Water splash.
Daniel, stop teasing your sister.
Dad, is there a star?
Yes, they are sea creatures called starfish.
And what is this moving?
Don't touch it, Lisa. It's a jellyfish, and it could be poisonous. It's lunchtime, everyone. I love picnics by the ocean.
Can I have an ice cream, please?
Of course. What flavor do you want?
Hello there. You look sad. What's your name? My name is Daisy. Do you want an ice cream? I do, but I don't have any money. It's okay. I have money, and I can buy you one. Really? Thank you so much. Can you give me 2 strawberry ice creams, please?
Okay, give me 1 minute. And your ice creams are ready. Here you go, pretty girl.
Thank you so much. 1 strawberry ice cream for you. It tastes delicious. I can taste the strawberry and milk. Yes, it is. Would you like to walk along the beach with me? Yes, I'd love to. I want to build a sandcastle. So do I!
Wow, look how tall it's getting!
We should add a flag right here.
Oh! Why is there so much trash on the beach? I will put all this trash in the bin.
But there is still so much trash.
And I have an idea. Let's clean up the beach.
Here's another one. So is here.
Look at this, Daisy. A ship model. It looks almost new. Why did people abandon it?
It is so beautiful, isn't it?
Let's put the ship model in the sea and see if it floats.
1, 2.
3, go! Look, it's floating! The sun is really shining. Let's put on some sunscreen.
Mom, what is sunscreen?
Sunscreen is a cream you put on your skin to protect you from UV light, which is in the sunlight, so you won't get sunburned.
Do I need sunscreen?
It depends. You can use it, or you can skip it.
Ice cream, Mommy! Mom, I want ice cream!
You can go buy an ice cream, but stay close, okay?
But I don't have money.
Take this money and get an ice cream.
Thank you, Dad.
You better run fast before they run out of ice cream.
Dad, I don't know what to say to buy ice cream.
Just say, "Can I have one ice cream, please?"
And remember to say thank you after you get your ice cream.
Can I have one ice cream, please?
Of course. What flavor do you want? I have chocolate mint, vanilla, strawberry, and more.
Please give me one chocolate mint ice cream. It tastes minty and sweet. So yummy.
There are so many animals, Daisy. They look so cute. Wait, look at that. He looks hurt. Let's help him. Let's take you home, Mr. Turtle. Go home, Mr. Turtle. Swim back to the sea. Goodbye, Mr. Turtle. Lisa, I have something to confess. Actually, I'm a mermaid. You gotta be kidding me! I'm being honest, Lisa. You're a mermaid, but where are the other mermaids? They went far away, and I'm about to go to. But why? The ocean is full of trash now. And sea creatures can't survive in a polluted ocean. So they all ran away. And my friends ran away too. You did so many good things today. You cleaned the beach, saved the turtle, and made my day. I give you this pearl necklace as a gift. And a reward for the good things you did. It looks so beautiful. But what if I still miss you? Can you sing a song before you leave? A mermaid song will make you happy, and I will sing for you. La 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 la. I will keep this necklace forever as a memory. Goodbye, Daisy. Goodbye, Lisa.
It's getting late now. Let's go back to the hotel.
Does anyone see Lisa?
I think she might be with Daniel. Maybe we should ask him.
Daniel! Do you know where your sister is?
She's not with me, Dad. I saw her walk along the beach.
You didn't lose track of her, did you?
She could have gone that way.
Come on, everyone. We need to find Lisa before it gets dark.
She must be around here somewhere.
Look, over there by the dunes.
Mama! Mom, I'm here! I'm here!
Lisa, you made me really worried. Where did you go? Let's come back to the hotel. We'll have a lot to talk about.
What a beautiful evening for dinner outside.
The lights look magical tonight.
This lobster is so good! I want more! I want more!
You can order more food after you finish the food on the table. Now, Lisa, can you tell me what happened this afternoon?
I met a girl the same age as me. We walked along the shore and explored the beach together. Turned out she's a mermaid, and then she gave me this beautiful pearl necklace.
Are you telling everyone a fairy tale?
This is not a fairy tale, Dad. She's real, and I saw her. You have to believe me.
So where is she now, sweetheart? Can we meet her?
She went far away from this place.
Why did she go away?
The ocean is her home, and it's polluted because people throw trash in it.
I don't know if the mermaid was real, but there was trash on the beach.
I did try cleaning the beach, but I don't think that could help. All the animals will be gone.
Don't say that, Lisa. You tried your best. And if everyone is aware of pollution, we can save our beautiful ocean.
At least you cleaned the beach.
What can we do to save nature, Mom?
We can pick up trash, use less plastic, and recycle. Save water and electricity. And be kind to animals to protect nature.
We can plant trees and keep the beach clean. And tell other people not to throw trash.
Let's start doing those things tomorrow, everyone.